Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Meeta Jatia and I welcome you to my channel Down Your Alley where I make videos on makeup and skincare. So today I'm going to be talking about my top recommendations for face masks and face scrubs from Indian brands which are made and manufactured in India. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now the first brand that I would like to give a shout out to is called the Soul Tree. Now this brand is certified annually by the BDIH Germany, which goes to say that their products contain no artificial colors, no artificial fragrances, no harmful chemicals. They are silicone free, paraben free. They do not use any petroleum in their products. The product that I have here is the face scrub, their walnut, turmeric and sandalwood face scrub. Now this, guys, is an amazing face scrub. It is really gentle on the skin. It deeply exfoliates your skin, removes tan and tightens your pores. And all in all, a very, very good product, and I think you should definitely give it a shot. Now the next brand that I would like to talk about is called The Pilgrim. Now the products from this brand are made and manufactured in India. They are 100% vegan, cruelty free. They contain no harmful chemicals. They are sulfate free and paraben free. Now the product that I have here is the Volcanic Lava Ash Face Scrub. This is one of their best sellers and I am totally in love with this product. I definitely would recommend that you guys try it out. It smells amazing. It has a beautiful pillowy texture. The particles are very finely milled. It helps removing tan. It helps in promoting skin regeneration. It reduces pigmentation, improves skin elasticity, and which leaves your skin fresh, bright, and rejuvenated. Now, the next brand that I would like to talk about is called Bhoo Botanics. Now, this brand offers natural and herbal products for your skin, which are 100% sulfate-free and paraben-free. The product that I have with me here is a saffron French rose clay and activated charcoal face scrub. This again has a beautiful texture, guys. It smells amazing. It deeply exfoliates, removes dead skin, lightens skin tone. It reduces blemishes and dark spots. All in all, a very, very good product. Do give it a shot. You're not going to regret it. Now coming to face masks and face packs. Now the first product that I would like to talk about is called the Skin Story. Now the products from this particular brand are 100% paraben free and are extremely affordable. What I have with me here is their Witch Hazel face pack enriched with French white clay. Now the French clay absorbs excess sebum, dust, grime and blackheads from your skin. Witch Hazel fights acne and tightens your pores, leaving your skin smooth and rejuvenated. Now the next face mask is again from Bhoo Botanics. This is their matcha green tea and bamboo face mask. Now the matcha green tea and bamboo help brighten the skin tone. The bentonite clay present in this particular face mask helps reduces tan. It shrinks facial pores and tightens the skin. The last and the final brand that I would like to recommend is the Natural Vibes. Now, their products are Ayurvedic. It is 100% vegan, cruelty free. They have no sulfates, no parabens and no harmful chemicals in their formulations. The pack that I have with me is their Tea Tree Face Pack with activated charcoal. Now this pack helps in reducing acne. It cleans clogged pores and lightens your skin tone. All in all, a very, very good product, guys. Definitely do give it a shot. It's a wrap for now, guys. Do give these brands your love and support, and I assure you that they are totally worth your money. If you find the video helpful, please give me a like, share, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.